I cooked the roast last night.
What sort?
I think it was chicken.
I don't look gay, but I am gay actually.
Maybe I should set you up one of my mates. She's female. Hello, Gary.
Gary. My name is Alan. I was given this number by a friend of mine named Darren.
Steve, do we know Darren?
Yeah, Darren.
Continue.
Yeah.
I only deal with top shelf.
I've started being aware of myself.
Is that a good thing?
I'm missing something. A feeling.
A good feeling?
It's a feeling that I felt, sensed, and known that I've always had.
Yeah.
It is my task to be a total man.
Yes.
I want people to see me. I want to be a full human being.
Sorry, mate. Deal's off.
Yeah, this is Carolyn.
How you doing?
Good, thanks. Is there some kind of issue here?
Is this your mum?
No. Carolyn's a colleague. She's a psychologist.
I really need your help with this. You're not having a good time, are you? God, that's no good. All you have to do is walk to the lockers to help me out. There's no reason why both of us have to be unhappy.
I'm not going.
Well, you will always be unhappy, Steve, because you won't take that first step.
I don't want to go.
All right. I will seriously make it worth your while. Hmm?